Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide likes you have made from your followers on Instagram. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and first of all, we have to go to our profile, tap on this profile icon, and you can tap on this three lines button on the top right corner of your screen and select settings and privacy. And after the settings and privacy has been opened, you can click on likes you've made option. Okay, and here you can hide the likes you have made on Instagram from your followers. If you want to hide it from your followers, you can click on don't allow anyone to see likes. Okay, you can also hide the likes you have made from specific followers. You have to add some followers to your close friends. Then you can click on allow close friends to see like. Then the likes you have made will be hidden from specific followers. Alright, yes, and that's how we can hide likes we have made from our followers on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.